I like donuts. I like donuts. I like donuts. Are you doing well? Are you doing well? Are you doing well? Bella went to the mall. Bella went to the mall. Bella went to the mall. I got a bad grade. I got a bad grade. I got a bad grade. I got it in the mail. I got it in the mail. I got it in the mail. I dropped the pizza. I dropped the pizza. I dropped the pizza. Tom got a new phone. Tom got a new phone. Tom got a new phone. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? I plugged in the fan. I plugged in the fan. I plugged in the fan. I saw some snow today. I saw some snow today. I saw some snow today. Let's watch TV. Let's watch TV. Let's watch TV. What did you do today? What did you do today? What did you do today? I like animals. I like animals. I like animals. I got my dog a toy today. I got my dog a toy today. I got my dog a toy today. I was waiting for my turn. I was waiting for my turn. I was waiting for my turn. She was driving. She was driving. She was driving. Alex couldn't come today. Alex couldn't come today. Alex couldn't come today. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. Jerry took out the trash. Jerry took out the trash. Jerry took out the trash. Walter wants to be a teacher. Walter wants to be a teacher. Walter wants to be a teacher. Maria baked cookies. Maria baked cookies. Maria baked cookies. Let's go to the library. Let's go to the library. Let's go to the library. We could go tomorrow. We could go tomorrow. We could go tomorrow. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. They were drinking tea. They were drinking tea. They were drinking tea. Peter is good at football. Peter is good at football. Peter is good at football. I feel a little sick. I feel a little sick. I feel a little sick. When do we leave? When do we leave? When do we leave? She got a new toy. She got a new toy. She got a new toy. Vicky is a doctor. Vicky is a doctor. Vicky is a doctor. His favorite color is red. His favorite color is red. His favorite color is red. My teacher is mean. My teacher is mean. My teacher is mean. She wants to be a singer. She wants to be a singer. She wants to be a singer. I saw an owl today. I saw an owl today. I saw an owl today. I like apples. I like apples. I like apples.